Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Google Chrome on your Windows PC or laptop. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. Google Chrome is one of the most popular web browsers because it's fast, secure, and lets you sync your bookmarks, passwords, browsing history, and other data across all your devices when you sign in with your Google account. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Edge browser, which comes pre-installed on Windows. Click the address bar, type Google Chrome, and press Enter. From the search results, open the official Google Chrome website. Once the page loads, click the Download Chrome button. If prompted, choose where you want to save the installer, then click Save. After the download is complete, open File Explorer, select the Downloads folder, and double-click the Chrome setup file. If a Windows security prompt appears, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your device. The installer will automatically download the required files and begin installing Google Chrome. Wait a few moments while the installation finishes. Once it's complete, Google Chrome will launch automatically. To sync your bookmarks, passwords, and browsing history, click the profile icon in the top right corner, select Sign into Chrome, and log in with your Google account. That's it. Google Chrome is now installed and ready to use. If this video helped you, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.